guys, welcome to another tutorial series, and in this series I am going to be walking you through how to shoot this freeze frame video that I did on TikTok and on Instagram. So for this freeze frame, basically I would advise you have to be holding your phone because you have to tap on the screen for the frame to for the frame to freeze. I wanted to say for the freeze to frame. But yeah, you're gonna have to tap on the screen, so you won't need a tripod to do that. So I'm going to show you how to do it on TikTok, and I'm also going to show you how to do it on Instagram. So let's get into it, shall we?
Alright, so you can see I'm on TikTok. So I'm starting with TikTok first, and this video has 2,000 views, over 2,000 views already, and 3 shares. So for this, I'm going to click on the sound on TikTok and just click on use the sound, because this is the sound I want to use. As you can see, we're here on TikTok, and you can see the effects. So the effect is on the freeze frame already. So while I'm shooting, I am going to keep quiet so you can hear me very well. So in case you're looking for the sound, you can go to my TikTok profile and you'll be able to find the sound there. And once you click on it, it's going to come up with the effect directly, because I have used the effect. So for this video, you're going to have to set a timer. But what you have to set a timer, you have to shoot frame by frame for the timer. You're not going to shoot it once. You have to cut the frames. So I am going to show you how to do that. You come straight to the timer, and once I click the timer, I will have to stop talking because the music is going to start playing. But you'll be able to see how I'm able to set the timer. So alright, so I have stopped it at that point, and I'm going to remove the mic so I'll be able to hear the sound. So yeah, I hope you can hear me and some little background noises, but yeah, anyway. So now that I've saved the timer, I am going to, when I hear tun 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 tun, I'm going to go like I'm talking to somebody, and when it's time, make sure that your hand is not far from the screen so that you can tap. So I'm going to do like I'm talking to someone and then tap on the screen. Do you get? All right, so let's do that. 3, 2, 1. There you go. You see that? You have to click it with the sound, so that you have to know when the sound. So you have to first listen to the sound. Then when it is, after you finish talking, you now tap on it. So I'm going to shoot the second frame again. Okay, so it stopped here. So I'm going to start the countdown. Now let's do the third one. There you go.
So yeah, go back to Instagram, no filter. This light is already emanating head, but yeah, that's for TikTok and this is for Instagram. So this is how you do the freeze frame on Instagram. You come to the filters part and you scroll to the right hand side. This is my left, this is my right. So you search for freeze frame. So this is me typing freeze frame. And so there's the freeze frame, the colored one. Can you see it? Then you make sure to save it. I've saved it. Then, all right. So let's look for the sound. Let's go and look for the sound. So I'm going to go to my profile and use the audio from my profile because I already posted one already. So this is it. Oh, 2 people have used the sound already. So you come to use audio. Yay! And I come to effect. Since I've already saved the effect, this is the effect. So you want to set a timer. sound. Okay. Now it's time to frame. Make sure that your hand, the same way you did it on TikTok, is the same way you want to do it here. So I love TikTok's own because it doesn't show a color, but Instagram shows a color. But that's like the only frame available that I've seen other people use. So you can use that and do it the same way also on Instagram. Sorry, you can do it the same way. I did my video on TikTok and I brought it to Instagram. So let's set the timer again. Not touch up. Sorry. Freeze frame. Okay, so and the last one. There you have it. That's it. You can now add your text, add your reactions if you want. But that's how to do the freeze frame. So let's try. Let's try it. And when you do, make sure to tag me. Leave a comment if you found this helpful. Leave a comment if you found this helpful. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.